Reinvent Yourself, a step-by-step guide to rebuilding your life. At some point, many of us feel stuck. We hit roadblocks, whether personal or professional, that make us wonder if we're on the right path. The good news? It's never too late to reinvent yourself. Reinventing your life isn't about making small adjustments but about consciously reshaping your identity, habits, and lifestyle. Whether you're recovering from a setback or simply craving something new, the process of reinvention can be transformative. In this guide, we'll explore a step-by-step approach to rebuilding your life, starting from a point of clarity, followed by planning, action, and growth. Reinvention doesn't happen overnight, but with the right steps, you can create a life that aligns with who you truly want to be. 1. Self-reflection, identifying the need for change. The first step to reinventing yourself is understanding why you feel the need to change. Take time to reflect on your life, what's working, what isn't, and where you feel unsatisfied. Do you feel unfulfilled in your career, stagnant in your relationships, or disconnected from your passions? Self-reflection helps you get to the root of your dissatisfaction. It's important to be honest with yourself during this process. Ask yourself questions like, what is holding me back? What values do I want to live by? If I could start over, what would I do differently? The goal here is not to dwell on the past but to gain clarity on what aspects of your life you want to rebuild. You can journal, meditate, or have deep conversations with trusted friends to help you uncover insights about yourself. 2. Visioning, creating a clear picture of the new you. Once you've reflected on your current situation, it's time to create a vision of your ideal self. What does the best version of you look like? Visualize every detail: your habits, routines, relationships, work, and mindset. This step is about dreaming big but also being specific. A vague desire to be happier or get better at life isn't enough. Instead, imagine. What kind of work excites you? How do you spend your free time? What skills or traits do you want to develop? Write down your vision. The clearer your goals, the easier it will be to take actionable steps to achieve them. Your vision will serve as a roadmap, helping you stay on course as you reinvent yourself. 3. Setting goals, breaking your vision into manageable steps. With a clear vision in mind, it's time to turn that vision into actionable goals. Reinvention can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into smaller steps makes it manageable. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, that will guide you toward the larger transformation. For example, if you want to change careers, your goals might include researching industries you're interested in within the next 2 weeks, taking an online course to develop a new skill within the next 3 months, networking with professionals in your desired field weekly. If you want to improve your personal life, your goals might include creating a daily routine that incorporates self-care or meditation, attending events to meet new people once a month, developing a new hobby or skill by the end of the year. Setting realistic, step-by-step goals makes the process of reinvention less daunting and helps you track your progress along the way. 4. Taking action, building new habits and routines. This is where the real work begins. Goals without action are just dreams, so it's time to start implementing new habits that align with your vision. Begin by making small changes that can evolve into lasting habits. For example, if you want to improve your physical health, start with a simple workout routine, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. If you're working toward a career change, dedicate a set amount of time each day to skill development or job applications. Consistency is key. The small habits you develop today will snowball into significant changes over time. As you begin to make changes, it's important to remain flexible and patient with yourself. Reinvention doesn't happen overnight, and you may hit roadblocks. Adjust your habits and routines as needed, but keep moving forward. 5. Embracing discomfort, pushing through the challenges. Reinventing yourself is not easy. It often requires stepping out of your comfort zone, which can be unsettling. Whether it's learning new skills, letting go of toxic relationships, or changing deeply ingrained habits, you will face discomfort along the way. Embrace this discomfort as part of the process. Growth and change rarely happen in your comfort zone. Remember, every time you push through discomfort, you're one step closer to the life you want to build. One way to manage discomfort is to break it down into smaller tasks. For example, if networking intimidates you, start by attending virtual events or reaching out to one new person per week. Gradually, the fear will subside as you build confidence. 6. Building resilience, learning from failures. Reinvention isn't a linear path. You will encounter setbacks, whether they come in the form of failed attempts, rejection, or self-doubt. The key to long-term reinvention is resilience, the ability to bounce back from failures and keep going. When things don't go according to plan, don't see it as a sign to give up. Instead, use it as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I approach this situation differently next time? Failures provide valuable feedback, helping you refine your approach and grow stronger in the process. The more resilient you are, the more likely you'll succeed in reinventing yourself. 7. Surrounding yourself with support, building a network. Reinventing yourself is not something you need to do alone. Surrounding yourself with a strong support system, whether friends, family, mentors, or like-minded individuals, can make a huge difference. These people will provide encouragement, advice, and accountability as you work through the challenges of reinvention. Seek out individuals who inspire you, challenge you to grow, and support your goals. Consider joining groups or communities aligned with your vision, where you can connect with people who share similar aspirations. Having a strong network not only helps you stay motivated but also provides a sense of belonging as you rebuild your life. 8. Adopting a growth mindset, staying open to change. A key aspect of successful reinvention is adopting a growth mindset, the belief that you can continuously learn, grow, and evolve. With a growth mindset, you view challenges as opportunities for improvement rather than obstacles to your success. Staying open to change and being willing to learn new things is essential to the reinvention process. Whether it's acquiring new skills, adjusting your approach, or letting go of old habits, having a growth mindset keeps you adaptable and focused on long-term success. 9. Celebrating progress, recognizing your achievements. As you work through the process of reinvention, don't forget to celebrate your progress. It's easy to get caught up in the end goal and overlook the small wins along the way. Acknowledging your achievements, no matter how small, helps maintain motivation and boosts your confidence. Whether it's completing a course, sticking to a new routine, or overcoming a personal challenge, take time to reflect on how far you've come. Celebrating your progress reminds you that you're moving forward and that reinvention is a journey, not a destination.